Malala mali e aho e ki mo lele i tonga kutoa fia ki talitali lele ki mo tolu, ki o mo ngā hiongongo mo le dio kai uma ai televisione tonga ki he hawani. I he wakaiko ia ki ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Hofi e he ne a fio ki ntupowo no ka kato i ngā awe ki he nofo anga fo o e kai ngā mango i ta anga ewa whaasinga i wike. Tuku ate whakatokanga mi tongani ki ka kaitonga i haha ke lotoloto ke nau tokangani ki nau mo ui ke hike ngahi tau o kuhoko. Pea puke potu ngā awe tamate a whi ai tō taha o tuku aki eni ki tupu angai mama i he whale lo maile lodge. O kuto iei pe ngahi taranua kehea na iangi beha i tawakai ki ngahi o ngongo mi he malai ni sipoti kai uma ai tu unga ko ia oi ea. Ko e wakailewa eni ki he whai ki iki, ko au liliani polutene. Kua mata tonu i he ahoni e he kai ngā mango ai visoni ni nau misi mo whakaamukia i he tau eni e whā. Ai whaiwhaiange ko ia i ha api no whaanga tonu, pau, malu mo hao ke na unga ki ai hili hono maumau i e he peau kula mo i whakai waha o e hunga tonga hunga hapai i he tau a whiwa wa honau moto i hapai.
Taitalele ia e whawhonga pureanga, i he nipea mo e tata ik pātere. E tawhaki ko ia e whare tolo.
Ko e hili eni hono ha e lea e he ene a whio king tupo wono ai wahe whanua ewa he whalai te o hofi e nofuanga i kāinga mango i tāanga ewa i he whaosinga o i wike. Koe aho wowa o sā nuali wāwhi wowa koe aho na e tai alo aloa i mo oi mo i kaha o i kāinga mango. I e mahino na e keina e he peao kula honau ngahi no fuanga mo honau moto o whetukutuku mai ei ai whono ngā ki Tongatapuni pe toki hiki atu ki tāanga ewa ki honau whonua whoou. Nā tataki e ngā aue ki he no fuanga whoou o mango e he mā i mua ngā aue pale toa ene a whio. Ai ane pehei e mose se wakasiwola. Koe api no fuanga whakakatoa e hongo fulu mā whāma ai kāinga mango, ka koe hongo fulu māua pē kua kakato i he niao mai ki ahoni, ai a ko kei whai e ngā aue ki hono langa o e whale e ua o kutoi. Nā ne pehe kua langa ngahi api no whangani o whakatau mua ki ne matu waki ngahi haa kotoa pē o e wheliri waki o e ea me ngahi whakatamaki.
O kau ki heni ha whare, tene malawa ke matu waki ha whatamaki ha whaa. Pea mo fuike. Ha mawanga vai. O maa, mo i lerei ke mo i a kakai. O mawanga evi uhila. E si ke wesia ia whatamaki. Pea mo hahala whiunga ki e whewhanonga aki. O palani foki na tō ngahi a kaufua ke tokoni ki he mea tokoni. Pea pehe ke teknolosia, ke mauanga kasa whakai natula. Pe kuiloa koe biogas systems. O whainga ai kere koe nimo e kai walu. Koe ngahi ko konga kere ni, ko wahe ia ki he pore tolonoa, ki he ngahi apikolo. O koe ai moha ngahi konga, ke ngawe aki, he koloni, ke whare lotu, moe no whanga whaiwhikau. Whetuu, ke whahoko anga ngā ue, mo tauhe nau ngahi mea ngā ue. Pea pehe ke whetu ke whahoko ai ngahi ngāwe whakapisnisi o whakatau mua ke he whakalaka ngahi whaamiri. O kia i moe e ria ke he whaitoka.
O mahino bene ia i ngahi pole ne whianga ngai me mā i mua paletu a pehe ki hono ngahi hoa ngāwe whengai aki o kau kia i poto ngāwe langalalahi koe ngahi kautaha langa pehe ki he poto ngāwe whonua me koloa whakaina tula me ngahi kupu whikau aki kehe pe. Ka neongo ia kua i kuna kotoa ai ngāwe i he ahoni. Ne whakahai e ni ihi o i kāinga mango ko tipiloma toto ila mo e matapule o mango mo o ngā toa ki he ngongo ai le tiotonga e nau hounga ia mo e whakawhitai i e mā i moa ola e ne awhio o nau tai māli e ai i ahoni kei tau te whito ki he konga kelekele kua whoa ki me ne awhio ke hoko atu ai e nau mo ui.
Hoko e whai ngata ai mango ko iai. Pea nai mālolo hoku hoa i he tō ai tsunami. Pea ko whia lahi ko hui ko e ku hau ke whanua ko e ni whaka ofa au pito tali kakai lele o nau kakai nau fofonga fia au pito he nau si o ka te mautolo pa ko lau monu ai mo lau tapu aki ki he ofa ko ia e o tua whaka inasi aki ki mautolo whafo mai he tamatu i o mau lawe monu ai he tapu aki ko e ni mau hiki mai ai ke fonuan
fia lahi au pito o i mau lava mai o kau whataha e ahoni mo e kau ngao e kotoa pē. Nana wala ni mamai ke whatake mai mo ko ni. Ko i ki kāinga ko ni. O fia lahi au pito.
O ku whakafofua ki he paanga e 5 miliona taha kilo walumano hiwa whitupu ai whakamole o i mai mua ngāwe paletu aine a whio. Pe he wakastiwola ko kakato e ngāwe i he tokoni mihi ngai ta whaki ke pē o kau kia i tokoni pe kau taha tokoni ta ahine kuini ko e pureanga Tonga, Mordi Tonga, pureanga Australia pihi ki he pulo kalamangāwe IFED mo e ngahi kau taha ke pē i Tonga ni motu a pureanga. Ke hike alu ke whakalalahi mo koviangi ai wawa kovi mo lungua ai he wā ngai whanua i he aha ki loto talo me ahua walo February. Kua tuku atu ai e whakatukanga makehe me poto ngāwe whakatipiro me tika ne awhio ki e kāinga tonga kotoa pe i wahi whanua haha ki loto ke nau whainga lewa ki a wheitu o ku malo ke nau malo ai me he ngahi whetā aki o ku hoko i loroto ngani i he wā o Isileli, Amerika mo Iran. I e lolotonga ni ko whakapapau i ano tāpuni whakataimia o e whewhulau aki whakapuna sivile i e waa o Isileli me ngai whanua o e kolifa peheki e sia mo i ulope. Pehe me ofisi o poto ngāwe ngahi ngāwe whakatipro me tika ni a whio ki tō puleanga e nau whie mau ke kāinga tonga o kuna whewhulau aki e wāhinga loto. Mo e toke lau koia o Awhilika ke nau whitu utaki ke awe ho nau hingoa mo e tō asila ke e ofisi o ampastoa o tonga i Abu Dhabi. Ko e whita aki koeni i he wā o Isileli, Amerika mo Iran. Pea o ku alu ke whalalahi ai ka kai o ku mole e nau mo ui, i e mahina ko e o hofilahi eni o ku whaiato me Isileli mo Amerika ki Iran. O ku hoko eni ki tāpuni pe kanseli ai ngai whewhulau aki wapuna lahi i he aha ki loto. Whakatatau ke ngahi ka taha ngongo i moli, ne fuafua o hofi atu e Isileli mo Amerika a Iran o tāketi i nau ngahi whale whapule anga i o nau kolomua i Tehran. O kau kiai mo i taki o Iran aia ko Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. I he lorotonga ni ko whakahami Amerika mo Isileli ko malolo e taki o Iran i hono uluaki o hofi atu pe o Iran. Kua hoko hono whakaha o ngongo ki he malolo o Ayatollah Ali Khamenei i hono whakapongi ko ia Isileli mo Amerika ke whawhiewhia i ka kaito lahi o Iran ke wike ngahi whaitutu o ne whakawao ne whakahoko e Ali Khamenei ki hono whakapongi pe honau kakai pe lahi me ngahi liu i honau whonua nā ne whakahoko. Ko ne malolo eni hilia ngeia e tau e whango furutupu e ne pulei a Iran talo mihi tahi wamalohi wā. Kua whakahai toko ni Minista ki Muli o Amerika, Christopher Lenda o lorotonga e ne aahi mai koia ki tongani hi whalaite kua ofsi. E ne whakaamu ke toi whakalahi e ngāhi whainga mali e ako maa tongani. Ka neongo ia, o giai e whie maa o vivili mei tongani ke tomu awete ki e palapalema, ai o whianga hangai mo ia mo tongani he lorotongani i hono whakataputapui o i kolengo fuafulao pe visa ki Amerika. Ko hono whaha eni ehe ki palemia no pele whawhanua, lorotonga ai whakataha me kau whaiongongo i he wike ko si. Ko e whakaiki mo senorita Tuivai.
I he mea e ki pale meana pele whawhanua ko hoka tutu une Amerika, ke wesi ai ai kolengo fuafola wako ki Amerika, pe e kaito e malawa ke hoko atu ai ako ni i tokolahi i he University o Amerika mo Hawaii. Nā te mea whoke o pihe whafufua ke whana wako Tonga e toko ono noa, o kuna uma wako skolasi pe University BYU o Amerika pe ko Hawaii, kau i kai malawa ke nau whoki o hoko atu ai ako, makatunga me whataputapui o i visa. Nā ne mea whafufua ke whana wako Tonga e toko taha tolo o kuna unawhata e whakalao pe ova i Amerika, o mau heni i toko siko ni, ai whainga maali, ai toenga whana wako o kuna whie ako, mo mau whainga maali e skolasipi ki Amerika. I hene pehe, Nei mea no pele whawhanua nei kau e kawingani he toka ngalahi kia I hene whemea ake mo landau e wike ko osi. Hilia e na mea whakatou osi ki whakataha aseni tai Pasifiki I e wike ko osi I Hawaii. Lolo tonga nea whemea ake ne whakahaya Christopher Landau e ne whie mao ke te whakalahi mai whainga maali ako skolasipi Amerika ma ai whāna wako Tonga. O whakatonga I makehea e whie mao ke whaiha ngā aue ki ngofua wholau pe visa ki Amerika I he mahina o kune wesia whainga maali e ako a Tonga ki Amerika. Ne mea no pere whawhanua ko whaitoto uniko e ni o I kai hao ia mihi potungau ki muri a Amerika. Ka koe ngahi tūtu uni wha Palestenia honau Palestini I he ene whie mao ke malu I honau kau a whanua me ngai wholau pe huta e whakalau atu ki honau whanua. Lolo tonga I tongana landau na ane whakatau whalafola ki ne awhio a ane whakahae no pere whawhanua ai ngahi kawenga ne tokanga ki ai e whinangalo ene awhio.
Pea nai whahoko mai e he Deputy Secretary of State nai lelei au pito na whatau fofola. Pena o hake ne awhio ngahi issue anga maheni pe ko tau swanongo o kubokoi ki ane awhio. O I kai ngata pe he tokanga ki he Tongatapu. Ka koe nai o hake ai ngai issue koe ni o tau mahu inga I ai. Hangi koe ako, koe visa, koe nai langa koe ni whahoko koe ni he whanua.
Ne whakahaene e ki Palemia, e toi lahiang e nau ngahi ngai whakataha me office whakampastoa Amerika I Tongani, I ngahi wike me mahina ka hoko mai. Koe whenga ke whalahi ilo ka kaitonga, I halafononga totonu ke na whakahoko, I he kōle ngofua wholau, pe ke whemau ke whakako e kakai ke na Moimoi, ke ngahi lao me tūtu uni o kutuku mai mi Amerika, I he taimi o kōle ngofua wholau. Na ne mea o ngali e toi lahiang e wā I taimi tene a ahi atoe ki Amerika, koe whenga pe ma atongani mai whakaamu, ke na wa utonu atu ke manatua mai atongani e Amerika mo whakamahino, e malawa pe tongani o whakakato e ngai whiema o knau tuku mai ke whakakato.
Kua poke potu ngā ue tāmate a whi he whingai aki mo kau polisi ai toko taha I Tongatapuni o toko aki ki he māmane hoko, ki e taha ngai whale wha business I loto Nuku'alofa I loa koe lau mai ni launch. Koe mama koe nine hoko I he whiawhi pure lolo kōsi. Ka koe whakaiki ki moli tea taukapo.
I mea I ki Palemia no pere whawhanua. Lolo tonga whakataha me kau whai ngō he wike ko osi, nā ne whakahai e hono mao e he potu ngau e tāmate a whi e hina pensini I loto I lau maile.
Koe mea koe ni o ku whalolo ma, nā nau mau e canister pe koe hina pensini I loto he whare, ai au ku nau huhu koe tutu. Nā ne kamata aki, pa ku nau osi puke toko taha ku nau suspect ko ia nā ne hanga o kamata ai vela koe ni lo maali lodge.
O mahino pe, koe whale koe ni ne osi to'o kotoa e ngahi mau anga uhila ki loto he whale ni, o I kai ke toi ngawe aki ki he uhila. Pea I kai ha toi ngahi nau e toi I he whale ni. Neongo e ni, ka ko kei hoko atu pe whakatotolo e potu ngau e tāmate a whi I he whengau aki me potu ngau e polisi. Maiongo ngā le te opa me televisione Tonga, kauri tea taukapo.
Nā e wikia a tongani e minista pa anga o sia panika koe sea o I ka taha whakawahapule anga o Asia mo Pasifiki ai o nau sivi e ngā hiwhi awiaki pa anga uli mo kāka. Ai tai mua a tongani I ngai whanua o Pasifiki I hono fotu o lao ke whakamalumalu ki ai whi awiaki e ngahi pa anga uli peheke pa anga ne mau I he whaunga kāka. Ko hiri eni e nau I tongani I wike ko o siki wakai I to o ngā o kia tongani whikau aki me ngahi pisinisi ai o nau ngai aki ai ngahi pa anga uli I tongani o nau whakahai ai keia o pe kau a tongani I ngai whanua I Pasifiki o kukei sisi au pito pe ai hai e ngahi ngāo e pangoni. Ko e whakaiki ki mo senorita tui vai.
I e whakatahama ke he kau whai o ngō me ko wāne pangke pule me minista paanga tokoni o siapani he flight te kua osi. Nani pehea Minister paanga siapani ka koe sea ia, His Excellency Mitu Choshi Kawikawa, koe ta moena o ahime ki Tongani koe uhi ke toe wakai ai ngāwe e ngai businessi, pe ki ngahi panke, pe okunau kei Moimoi pau, ke ngahi alea pau whakawahapure anga, o whikau aki mohono tauhi ai tau ta ofi ngawe ake paanga uri mo paanga mau, i he whonga kākaa. Nane toi pehe ko tahane whainga maari e lelei ki Tongani ke te wakai e tuunga whakatake ngahi ngawe anga, pe koe tauhia e paanga. Koe uhi ke te a mo longa mo uiang e ano siofi mo whawhai ke hei, ai ngahi paanga kumau i he whonga kākaa, o paanga o kumau pe i he whonga o ikai fōu i he whonga kākaa. Nane te peheu neongo tūla vea ngofua ngai whanai Pasifiki i he mao i paanga lahi me whiawe ake ngai whaitota e whakalao, ka kumahino ko Tongani o kei pesetsi isi i pe ai mao ai paanga me he whaitota e whakalao. Lolo Tongani ne whamala ala a tenseni ale linda whalau mo e tu i ki he lao, na e tali i whalealea i he tau ko o seu i loa koe lao ki ono whiawe ake whapulipuli ai paanga kākaa i ngahi koloa o ko mao me hahia. Nane pehe koe lao koe niok mahino ne whiema o ke whaiha ngai whawavavi ke whalealea ka hui koe mahu inga o i ka vingani.
Mahino pito koe kau whaihia e ta whākoe ni koe they're very modern and sophisticated criminal syndicates. Koe po ose tainia ai lua horopeo o whaiha kai haa kua whaia i kai. Koe tainia po laka o step koe ua mape a kau whaihia e i mua he i kakai tau he reasonable person to good society. Ai a pea ko silo fa mama nahi pangi ko plaka nai ko nahi e ko ni ko ni fai tonga ni ko fenga ai mai pea mo na mai ko ni ngai fonua i mo ai fe ma le ko ko lawe ko ni ko fe ma le ka ke to nahi no ani mo te tawa ni ngai fonga fa toto ya ko frami ke ko lawe ko ni no Katahangahi therefore non-conviction based restraint and forfeiture powers. Kay fai hono manitu foko paanga pe globi defo globi abe ki foi parte de parte de no ene transfer automatic de mo angeka ukoloa mo de banco foi fonga kaka tai ai ko winga ki fo iku puer ko ki non connection ni kai ki aru e fonga na maheli ko oi ngau ko fai ki na ia.
Kai kene pehe ko wana panke puli whawhanua tonga ta tawhmoia ki neongo e kei pesetsi isi a Tongani, kau kei mahu inga pe ke te lunga mo ui mo a nge ano malu i a Tongani me i ngawe aki e ngahi paanga whiawe aki kākaa.
Keo hika mahu inga a hono whraivia o ia koe whanau pia ke whrawai lelei haki ki nau tolu he malao ia ko tālomi he enau kei iki. O ku whāke atua i he kalapu whetaki nima o veitongo i ngā hisi kola sipi ma ai whānau wako e walunga fulu mā walu i ho nau kolope ke toko nia ki hono whakawhainga mālie ai hala whanonga ki he wharagaraka o e nā wako i he kahau. Ai au ku i kei whangatangata eni ki he ngahi kolisi pepe ki ngahi university ka au ku kau ke me ngahi ako anga i iki ai o ku totongi e nā wako hangi koe a koe apia ko Science School moi Ocean of Light. Koe whangaiki ki moli te a Tongatapu.
Ko scholarship a koni i kai whangatangata ia ki hako anga. Ka ako tai malia e whanau e ngahi ako anga i iki ange hangoi koe Ocean of Light moi ako Science School. O au ki ngai university maalunga nge. Ka o whangatangata pe ki whanau o na wako i Tongani o i kai kau kei e whanau wako i tu opore anga moi Pasifiki mangahi makatuunga ke pe. I whamatala to kon Palestine ka lawhetaki ni ma wheleti koloa ki o ngonga le te o Tongana ane pehe. Koe konga ene nau whenga ke whaka ai e tamasi i mutahine ako kotoa pe ho nau kolo ke whakakakato e nau wako ki he maulunga taha te nau wala lava. Ke toko nia a ke whakalakalaka o Tonga, ka koe mea te pū e tu maali e mutu whakaekonomik ho nau ngai whamili moi kolo. Ka, o ki ai pe hono ngahi makatuunga, Ai aku kaugai ni ihi tamai mate, ni ihi whi mao viviri e skola sipi, whanau e kau me mipa e kalapuni i tu apuleanga, koe whanau kalasiono o ngau lava ake maka wangi au ni manoa ki ngahi kolisi, ma skola sipi e taha ma e kau me mipa o e kalapu, me ngahi makatu unga kehepe. Pehe e koloa aku i kai whangatangata e skola sipini ki ha toko taha pe me he whaamiri. Kau ku malawa pe ke toko lahi ange me iha fo i whaamiri e taha.
Ko tangi whanau, koe ka wāia kona he inu. Kona pe aku, he taimi pe, ka koe taimi lahi, o peke mau fie mau e mau tolu, ha mea e taha. He fua pe mo e ola e ako e whanau. Peke mau fie mau e mau tolu, ke nau toi foki mau mo ua mai ka mau tolu. Koe uhinga noa koe ki nau tolu, ke nau ofa pe tokoni ko nau ngai whaamiri. Ka koe taimi koe te nau lava he siwi, o hua meri e pe kawa na e kona. Te keke mau kona mau tolu. Te mko koku lava e whanau i he university. O kukai peke mau kona mau tolu hataimi. Pea koutui koe ki rea whakalotola he nau whai whanau. O mu lava he siwi koe mau whono ka wapi. Koe mea pe iau whakameri meri e ake mau inu kawa. Aho mu lava i he siwi pa mumutokange he ako.
Ni whakahae ni he ni ihe whanau wako oku nau tai malia i skola sipini, Nancy Waterhouse, me he Police Up for All, mo taina taufa, me he University whakafonua o Tonga, ai honga kia te ki nau tolo e tokoni kua whai e he kalapu whetaki nima.
Whetao ne ua ku kau mai ki skola sipi whetaki nima, kau ngongo mo e ngahi whepaki nau whetao lak mo ia koe. Ku whamalo ia pe whetaki nima, nau o mai whangamari e ke uwako ka nau totonge huako, au ka whalotolahi ke te au, koe kau mātua ko niu nau inukawa, kau nau lawa pe o totonge huako mo kau se whai, pako ngai pe whai koe, kau se whai mo ui he koe kai ke nau fua huako.
Lava ngahi whatongia ke ho lava i humai whetaki ni mātoa te mamafa, o totongi o e ako, lava ke whakakate polo kalama ako, pea ku loto fie aputo whamiri ko ui. Koe whainga maari lahi nau kau ki ai ko ui na e hoko tau e tolu koe ni. Lava to tonga e ako o whakakakate polo kalama ako. Hoko fie lahi.
Le whakaha i e whawhawhonga me he tau hi whanau, me le lea kona, e whiawhia ku nau mao i e mahino ka kawenga lahi eni ia kua hui atu e kalapuni me he uma o e kau tau hi whanau, ko hono to tongi e ako e whanau.
Ko ke tau tolu mātua tau whanau, ko mea mau inga lahi taha pe ko tau lava to tongu whakaako e tau whanau, ke na wau ka tuunga te maalunga. Kana e kau mai e ku ki uhike toko whako ni ki he ke skola sipi kone whetak ni ma, kau e ni ha omni toi to atu e ka wenga lahi ai mātua. Ai au ku mooni pe lau ia ai hingoa ai kalapu ko kalapu whetak ni ma, ko ala mai whetak ni ma o whai taha mo mātua, ko ngawe whetak ni ma kono teke pe ai ako ai tau whanau, kai ki ngata pe i e whamiri ka ku kau mo kolo, te whakalakalaka ko e ako ai tau whanau.
Ko tau e ni ua walu, hono whakotuu e kalapuni e whaki skola sipi koe ni, pia ko lahi e whanau ko toko nia ki nau tolu e he kalapuni. O kau ki ai e tuki mua pe taksi e kolistonga e he tau ko osi ko Peter Valentine taufa. Ai anandi whakahai ki o ngongoni ne talu e ne huki e le volo form taha i he kolisi mono totongi he kalapuni e ne ako. Pako tahaia i he mea na ane whakaai ke tokanga ki he ako, mo ne whakaamu e ngau e lelei aki hono ngahi kaunga ako ko nau tai mali e he skola sipi he tauni ai whainga mali e ni.
Nei kuna lere whinga kuna whai, e kau e mea lahi tokoni ke kua koko e tokoni mai e kalapu whetaki lima. Ko ia pena usio mama atai ngai whatongia i api, ngana nau te tongi ako pa nau whai tokoni au tatalai whare mo pou ke ako nei whai. Koe ki whatolahi pe ke ako, o te mo whoi ako, ne pine pe ue whoi ako sike ke matai ngo mātua sike api. Whalala ki o tua tene ngau tokoni koe me ko tapeu ke whai.
O whakafuafua ke hiwango fulu tupu he tau e avalisi e toko lahi whanau o kunau toko nia i he tau, talu mi he taha hiwa fitu. Mai o ngonga le te opa mi televisioni Tonga, ko auri i tea Tongatapu.
O nea ngonga whakalata whanua ia ke hoani koe ngahi o ngonga me malai o sipoti hoko mai a mō pia olie.
Malama toki filonga ki koe whakaini ki mala o sipoti. Na tangtali rei mo whawhiawhia hei kāinga Tonga I Las Vegas, Amerika, ai whailoa ki mo kaptein laulo taha mate mātonga Jason tau marolo, I taha ngāhi whainga whakawa I whiau ena la ila ki hua noa uao no. Ne whalawa te tau marolo mo tēmi koe kau kaupoe me kiunsilani, ki tawhi mala o whiau hi neongo nei kuna kau naite o Newcastle, ake kai koe ua walu ki taha walu. Koe sipoti pei.
Ko e whakairewa ene ki he tuonga oe ea, I hono tuko mai me wa wakai matangi a tonga I wha mo tu whakahoko atu e Viola mai Nikolo.
Malai lau malai hau eiki mo e lele ai tonga kotoa, tata lele e peki mo tola he whiawhini, ke tau whakamatala e ngai tala no alalahi ko ia e whiawhini kono ki hok lele atu, ano Moimoi ai ao tāmaki ualahi kone o kne ke wesia ai oto haapai, Tongatapu pia mo ewa malawa whakine whakatupe I ha tā whea, ngai whetuko maolalange, tupen pe mehe uhalahi pe fo ke hako. Ok, hapea no maloi, ona ki hawile maloi whakatup mau. I he ngai whetuko no ke toka ia ao tāmaki, ai koe otu haapai ia, toa pe mo ewa. Pea une ke o mai pepa mo pea wā ke maloi whatup mau, ke ngai potahi koe ni. Ko imi si satellite tēni o e ahoni tau whaifronga ma ane hoa ma ke hoa tāni, aia oku ata lelei apita tau wakai ke fufoi konga ao hina goe, o konga ao uhalahi ia. Oku ata lelei a tene toka I haapai Tongatapu pia mo ewa, he tau whaiwhanonga mai koe ahoni, o kei hoko atu pe, e ne toka I ngai elia koe ia I he e whiawhini. Aia oku mahina bene uha pe a Tongatapu ni ewa e maa otu haapai, tau whaiwhanonga mai ahoni, koe uhi koe alo tāmak koe ni. Alo tāmak koe ni, o hao whatahe uhalahi pa mo I tō taku e havili o a ono mālohi, ki havili mālohi whatup mau, kai pehe ke ne whetukutuku mai me toki lau hifo. Ai, pea wā ke mālohi, ke ngai potahi koe ni. Whawhawhawhawhita tau wakaiat ki te rikitonga pa mo te rito ke lau ke tue ai ha fuu. Alo tāmaki pe ko ha ngahi uhalahi e potahi koe ni, ka koe ngai pea wā ke mālohi koe ni, ho ke whitutuk mai pe wā umei ki te rikitonga mo te rito ke lau, ai ngahi pea wā ke mālohi, wā pe ke whawhua ke mita e tolu. I te rikitonga pe mo te rito ke lau, e ahoni, ka tau wakaiat koe ki wawau pe mo yung niwa, o skanseri fo ke uhalahi e ki wawau. Ai aga tau whaifnonga mai koe he hoa tae whiawhi ahoni, au whiape whotunga langi hangai taimi hanga mai whanua koe ni, pena e pe mawhanki uhatu umoto. Maka tunga le vai no ke tu wate ngai whatokanga koe he whiawhi ni, ai koe whatokanga uhalai pe mo I tā whea, o ke tu wat peke o tu hapai Tongatapu pe mo ewa, koe hui koe kei teo kai ai alo tā maki. Pea whake hawiri māloi whatup mau, oku haa whakataha pe mo e al tā maki uhalai koe ni, o ke tu watu peke ngai vai whanua koe ni, kai maa hako, o ke whaipono tu watu ke vai whanua koe ni o wawau, koe hui koe hawiri, o holo maa maaria pe tau whanongat koe ni. Wawawai holo hako koe ni wawau, e tau whanongat e pon ke a pongpongi, tau wakaiat ke he hawiri māloi whatup mau, e tau holo atu a pongi o hako pe, e he ngahi vai whanua koe ni o hapai Tongatapu pe mo ewa, pe alo ai pe ke holo, o I kai ki toi hako whawhofua ki he whiawhi a pongi. Ngai whatoka ngai no kei whaipono tu kuat ka tau ngai potahi, koe hawiri mālohi whatup mau, pe awa ke mālohi whatup mau, kei tu kuatu pe ki potahi koe o tu haapai Tongatapu pe mo ewa, makatu ungai pe, I kei toka ai alo tāmaki o neki o mai eia ai haa pe moe nau koe ni, ke ngai potahi koe a pehe foki, ke hako, ke whaipono tu kuatu, e whiawhini e potahi ua wawau whatoka ngai angi, o alu pe ke hola te ai hako koe ni wawau, I e whiawhini, o kai ki te hako a pongi, kai pehe foki hawiri mālu whatup mau, e tok hola te potahi koe ni o hapai, Tongatapu pe mo ewa a pongi, o hako pe. Whale I koe ni ke ngai wakatou taiki, ka pa te mo whatonga I mai o kei tukat pe, ke potahi o wawau o mai ki te rikitonga, pe mo te rikito ke lau makatu unga, e ke iau hako ki wawau, kai pehe foki ki te rikitonga mo te rikito ke lau, o ke iau mai ai pe au wā ke mālohi, pe me hito ke lau hihifo, whawufua ke iau pe ke mita e tolu, e toi ngā tuko ia o e whiawhini, he ngai potahi whakatonga. Aho ni makoia ka hoko mai e tau siofe tau elia, Ko e ngahi ko ngā a uha koe ni, e ngā unuhi fōia ke whatonga, kamata alomaria te whiawpule lulu i Tongatapu pe mo eua pe whaketu apule lulu hoko atu. Te mō wakaima e toi teke hake pea me tonga o te uha pe whawhufa ke whalaite ma me whakaosinga koe au wikeni i Tongatapu pe mo eua. Ia whakaki au tamaki ua whoto mai pe me pe o whao mai pe me whakatoke lau me o niwa. Ne o mai pe whanki ua wai pe whanki lan mata o asmai me o niwa i whakaosinga koe au wikeni ka e kei hoko tu pe hono Moimoi i he toenga koia o e wikeni e whahau whatongia. Ko e toenga lewa koia o e whiawhini o au ki a henghengi, ata lelea to mo wakaima ke he fukonga ao lan mata koe ni, ko e uhaya. E ko lan mata me lanu engenga ko e uhalahia, e ne kei toka pe i o tuha apai kai maa Tongatapu mo ewa pe pehe ai pe hokoka to e whiawhini o ka henghengi, ai kei uha e ngō wahi whonua koe ni, kai tau se tutuki wawa o pepe ke ngoni wa o ku au fia me pe fotonga langi ka ke a te ngai ko nga alan mata ai au mala pe ke ai pe fanki wa tu motoka o sai pe al pe ke sayang ai tu nga o e ai i to ke lau pe ko e wakai ko ia ke malohi o tahi ma inga pito pe ke fotonga i me fitu ko ia o ku ke ia o ke veli malohi fatu mau o tu haapai kai ma a Tongatapu pe mo e o ke a to taku pe o ke havili malohi fatu mau e mare tahi e tolu nima fatunga enge alpe ke holo at he poni a ki a pongi kai ke hoka te pe e mahanga o tuku atu a e ngahi fatoganga pe mo e ngahi a whamatara e ahe hokat koe ni ko wawao potahi koe wawao fatogau ke ia upe ke hako mai tahi wanima kai alpe ke holo at a pongi pe he foki ke he ongo niwa o ku maritahi pea e hofulu ke tahni mai ngai time lai pe me to klau hahaki e tau whununga tu e toenga koe a poni ki a pongpongi pea koe maulala take poni whawhawhau ngahi vai whunua ki whatonga au ke tigirisi o tiase wafa tigirisi o tiase wanima pea pehe foki ki he toka lau mama o he tigirisi o tiase wahono he poni ko tau wakai koe ki a pongpongi mahino pe mo wakai mai ke uha pe ngai ko ngā au uhain ke no wholo pe e ria koe a Tongatapu mo ewa ia pe whanilonga e hola te uhaya a pongpongi i he otu haa pai ka oksai pe wawao ia pa mo yongo niwa e lahi alumali e pe a pongi ia whai pe toka ngā ki Tongatapu pe mo ewa ma whanataha pongpongi ti grista dea se wahiwa i Tongatapu aloi pe ki e ma whanataha ia ki ti grista dea se tau taha yongo niwa a pongi pate mo toka ngā e mai e kei hako pe otu haa pai pe foki ki Tongatapu pe mo ewa mari tahe wanima i ha ngahi taimi ai koe ngahi po tahe pene e kei hako a pongpongi hai toi ngā o kusai pe i mari tahe ngofuru ke taha nima a pongpongina taimi koe tahi ke kau tau tai ma tokai a hengi o ngofuru pe me taha pe e tok tau maali e ia i he oswanoa pe me fitu e pongpong ko ia a pongpongi hopo hake pe la a pongpong he no tol valo kai pe he foki ke hopo ka mahina he o stafitu pe me he no o e fiafini hopo e fiafia foke mahina ko tau arin ke katoa mahina pule lulu e pe o ikeni to foke vai ke funga fonua ko o fa fiafia ne ke kau ngowe ko hui ko e katoa ko mahina pe to fok pe mo vai ke funga fonua ia ngai palan ngawe kau ngowe ki he katoa ko ni mahina pe mo sai ko ia ai ki vai ne to me ke funga fonua e ngai fitu ni na inas e altamak ua kon o taulo tonga whea moia. Kai ke ko doinga koe whamatala ea ke wikeni Nuku'alofani mahino pe almalia te pulelulu to a pulelulu ka hake ko whatanoa ke ko ngā au hai whakatonga e te ke teke hake wharaite pe ke whakaosinga ko ia oi wike e ke ia e pia whaki ua tumato tau siwat ke whakaosinga ko ia oi wike ni pe mahino pe au fia ya ngai tai me fotonga e langi alui fo pe mawhanatahai Nuku'alofani te kisi o tase wahi whakaosinga wike ni kai pe foki mawhana pito e te kisi o tase tau ta e ko ngaloto ko ia oi wike ni he o almali pe Ka lava kakato mo whamatala e ke whiawhini malo au pito mo mea mai ta dalele e pek mo tolu i he maungahi service i he telefoni pe pe foki ki he social media pe mo e Facebook kai malo au pito mo mea mai.
Ko e to o ngai a oe ea ka tau toe wakayangi pe he ke ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Hofi e he ne a whio king tu pōwono ai ka kātoi ngā hawe ki e na whanga whoo e kai ngā mango i ta anga ewa i he whaosinga wike. Tuku atu e whaatokanga mi tongani ki ka kai tonga i ha hake lotoloto ke nā tokangani ki e nā mo ui ke wike ngai tau o ku hoko. Pea puke he potunga we tamate a whime kau polisi e toko taha o tukua ki ki tupu angai mama I he whani Moimoi Lodge. Mo e ka kātoi pea I ngā hiongo mo le dio kai uma ai televisione to ngā ke houhani mo e whakaamu ngā taki kotoa atu pea ki lato whani kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whi au mai ka mō mea. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, His Majesty King Tupo VI commissioned the completion of 12 new houses out of 14 houses in Da'anga Ewa for the people of Mango resettlement in Ewa. Government of Tonga is expressing serious concern for the safety and well-being of Tonga nationals currently in the Middle East, and one suspect arrested related to fire at Moimoi Lodge. Now for the stories in details. The people of Mango are so ecstatic with happiness as they finally move into their new homes after over 4 years on from the tsunami in January 2022. This follows when His Majesty King Tupo VI commissioned the completion of 12 new houses out of 14 houses in Ta'anga Ewa during the weekend for the people of Mango resettlement in Ewa. Liliani Polutele with more on that story.
His Majesty King Tupo VI officially commissioned the new Mango settlement in Ewa on Saturday, with 12 out of 14 new houses ready for the families from Mango. The new settlement marks a new beginning for the people of Mango, who lost everything in the devastation of the Tonga Ha'apai disaster. Following the disaster, the people of Mango were temporarily housed at the Free Wesleyan Church Hall at Longolongo before they were gifted this compound from His Majesty, a portion of land in Da'anga Ewa. The project for the construction of these homes was known as the Latu project, led by the Palace Office in collaboration with the Ministry of Infrastructure and other partnership, aiming at providing safe and resilient housing for those who were affected by tsunami in 2022. Speaking at the program, the Lord Chamberlain Moses Vagasiola says these new homes were built with the aim of providing safety and stability for the family while ensuring it can withstand the impact of climate change and natural disasters. He added, these houses are fully equipped to gather to the family's basic needs, such as electrical systems and accessible drinking water, with fully constructed roads for accessibility. This land is 8 acres divided into 30 plots for town allotment. Vagasiola says there is also a piece of land for their church's chapel and homes for its pastor. Designated areas are also planned for economic activities to support the family's livelihood and area for cemeteries and others. Some of the Mango Islands families expressed to radio and television Tonga News their profound gratitude to His Majesty and the people of Tonga for this opportunity, especially since they had free land in Ta'anga Ewa. It is estimated to be over 5 million ba'anga, the total cost of the Latu project, which is funded by collaboratively effort including the Her Majesty Queen Anaspa Authority, Government of Tonga, Australia Aid, IFED, Modi Tonga and others.
The government of Tonga is expressing serious concern for the safety and well-being of Tongan nationals currently in the Middle East, following escalating hostilities in the Middle East since last week. Liliani Polutele with more on that story.
The escalating hostilities and ongoing tensions in the region of the Middle East has led to many commercial flight disruptions to and from Israel and other GCC states connecting to Asia and Europe, to temporary closures of airspaces in the GCC Gulf states and the State of Israel until further notice. The HMDS Travel Advisory strongly advised all Tongan nationals in the Middle East region to seek immediate shelter in the closest secure building when emergency siren alarms goes off or upon receiving the emergency alert message from MOI in the UAE. They called on any Tongan nationals who are currently stranded or traveling within the Middle East and North Africa region to immediately register their names and contact details with the Embassy of the Kingdom of Tonga in Abu Dhabi. As foreign news reported, Israel and the US were striking first, targeting the government building of Iran in Tehran and their Supreme Leader's compound. US, Israel and Iran confirmed that the Supreme Leader of Iran, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has been killed by US and Israel.
60 Tongan students who have secured scholarship at PYU University in Hawaii are currently stranded in Tonga, unable to return to the United States to continue their next semester due to strict visa restrictions. This was confirmed by the Prime Minister Lord Fafanua during a press conference last Friday. Let's take a look.
This was confirmed by the Prime Minister Lord Fafanua in the press conference on Friday. Lord Fafanua said this is one of the impacts of the recent US visa restrictions for tourist and student visas for Tongan nationals. He explained that this issue of the visa restrictions was one of the topics discussed with the US Deputy Secretary of State, Christopher Landau, during his visit to Tonga on Friday. The Prime Minister also revealed the Deputy Secretary of State had expressed his wishes to offer more scholarships for Tonga, but of course, the issue of the visa restrictions needs to be resolved first.
This issue is in isolation, and we believe that it is a disproportionate response to Tongans overstaying. For example, with the student visas, I think it was about 13 students who were overstaying. And those 13 students have ruined it for the rest of the students who want to go. I just found out that there are about 60 BYU students who couldn't get their visas for the next semester because of the current restriction. Talking to Landau, he actually mentioned that he wants to give Tonga more scholarships. I think he forgot that there were restrictions on the visas. So I looked at him funny and he said, oh, we have to fix the visa issue. So I think he understands that we need to overcome this. It didn't come from the State Department. It came from Homeland Security, and it was a move by the White House to secure their borders.
He added they are now working with the U.S. Embassy in Tonga to provide a public awareness program to enhance the knowledge of the people of Tonga in applying for visa and what rules must be followed and abided by.
So I think the first step is actually informing the public about how to apply for a visa and how to abide by the visa. For now, we haven't had conversations around what we've seen imposed on other Pacific countries, such as the bond. There might be, there are different ways to help alleviate the situation with the bonds. And in terms of the timeline, it might take about a year. Only because, realistically speaking, I need to set the pace of how long these things take to review in Washington. And there are processes that we've been advised to follow. And so you will notice that in the next few months, I might be visiting America a lot more often, but we have to turn up for them to remember that we're there so that we can actually complete what we need to do.
The Prime Minister emphasized the importance of Tongan nationals abiding by the rules and regulations being directed by the U.S. Immigration in regard to obtaining a valid visa to visit or study in the United States, as it's the history of Tongan overstayers that had first drew the attention of the U.S. Homeland Security.
The Fire Department, in collaboration with the Ministry of Police, has arrested one person in connecting with a fire that broke out at one of the commercial buildings in Nuku'alofa known as Moimoi Lodge. This fire incident occurred on Wednesday last week. Let's take a look.
During a press conference last week, the Prime Minister, Lord Fafanua, says the fire department was able to quickly extinguish the fire at Moimoi and found an empty jerry can used for petrol inside the area where the fire is thought to have started, with the fire department suspecting the fire was an arson incident. It is understood that all electrical connections inside the building had already been removed, so electricity was not in use and no materials remained inside that could have fueled the fire. Meanwhile, the investigations into the incident are still ongoing. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Lidea Tongatapu.
Tonga has been braced by the Japanese Minister of Finance, who is also the co-chair of the Asian Pacific Group on Money Laundering, His Excellency Mitsutoshi Kachikawa, for being among the leading Pacific nation in establishing legislation to protect against money laundering and funds obtained through fraudulent activities. Let's take a look. A team from the Asian Pacific Group on Money Laundering was in Tonga last week to assess the country's current situation regarding businesses that may be using illicit funds. It was noted that Tonga remains among the Pacific countries where such criminal activities are still relatively low. In a press conference last Friday with the Governor of the National Reserve Bank of Tonga and the Japanese Vice Minister of Finance, His Excellency Mitsutoshi Kachikawa says that the purpose of their visit to Tonga was to further review the work being carried out by businesses and banks to ensure they are complying with international agreements aimed at preventing money laundering and the use of funds gained through fraud.
We are here in Tonga this week for a high-level visit to support Tonga's continuing efforts to strengthen its financial system. Our main goal is to ensure that the profits from serious crimes like drug trafficking and fraud are taken away from criminals, and just as importantly to protect Tonga's access to international finance, particularly the vital correspondent banking relationships. And I'm pleased to say we have had a productive week meeting with Tonga's top leaders, law enforcement, and financial regulators. So during our discussions, particularly with the Prime Minister and the cabinet ministers and the governor, it's clear that the high-level commitment is firm, that a lot of progress is occurring in Tonga, and that further strong actions are underway to tackle the profits from the organized crimes, like drug trafficking and or fraud.
Meanwhile, the Governor of the National Reserve Bank of Tonga, Tongatapu, said that although Tonga's percentage remains low, it is still important to further strengthen and enhance measures to protect the country from money laundering activities.
But from the Reserve Bank, as you know, the economy, our people, we rely heavily on imports from overseas and income that cross-border country from where our families live overseas, sending to Tonga. And on the government level, there's a lot of official development crossing border. What's more important is that the financial premises facilitating these payments and cross-border payments overseas, as emphasized by Toshi-san and Linda, are exposed or are vulnerable to financial crimes, in particular that associate with illicit drugs trafficking. So what's more important for us to ensure that Tonga, the standard of service for this financial platform are of high quality and trusted by our partners, our corresponding banks overseas, so that the eventual costs of payments crossing from overseas to Tonga are cheaper and more efficient, and the unit cost is lower.
However, Moyaki says this is a good opportunity for Tonga to reassess the overall condition of its financial institution in order to strengthen and make more effective the monitoring and detection of fund obtained illegally. And in recognition the importance of strengthening children's education and building a strong foundation for their future, the Veidongo Whetakinima Club has awarded scholarships to 88 students from their village to help ease the financial burden and support their educational journey towards completing their studies.
These scholarships are not limited to a specific school. They cover students attending early childhood centres such as Ocean of Light and Sight School, as well as those studying at the higher institution, including universities. However, the scholarships are limited to students studying within Tonga and do not include those studying overseas or elsewhere in the Pacific, except under certain specific conditions. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the Vice President of the Whetakinima Club, Feleti Koloa, said that this initiative is part of their effort to encourage all boys and girls in the village to complete their education to the highest level possible. The goal is to contribute to the development of Tonga while also promoting the well-being and economic growth of their families in the village. Some of the scholarship recipients expressed their gratitude for the assistance provided by the Whetakinima Club, including Nancy Waterhouse from Upfor College and Taina Taufa from the National University of Tonga. A representative of parents and guardians, Melilia Kona, also expressed happiness and relief, saying this generous contribution by the club has lifted a significant financial burden from parents, the cost of their children's education. This marks the 20th year the club has been awarding these scholarships. On average, about 90 students have been supported each year since the program began in 1997. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. His Majesty King Dubu VI commissioned the completion of 12 new houses out of 14 houses in Da'anga Ewa for the people of Mangot resettlement in Ewa. Government of Tonga is expressing serious concern for the safety and well-being of Tonga nationals currently in the Middle East, and one suspect arrested related to fire at Lomaile Lodge. That's it for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Good evening.